When working with XLOOKUP, I can return the entire row with just one formula. For example, the formula in the cell G2 returns the value for G2, H2 and I2. This returns the entire row that is highlighted. But what if I only want to return top salesperson and units sold, and not the region? The challenge here is that these two columns are not adjacent. Therefore, XLOOKUP alone will not work. In this video, I will show you 3 different ways to do this. I will copy the XLOOKUP formula to all the 3 tables. For the first method, we will use CHOOSECOLS. After the equal to sign, I will write CHOOSECOLS. The parameter array will be the output of XLOOKUP. In CHOOSECOLS, you can select the columns that you want to display. Since the top salesperson is the first column and the units sold is the third column, we will write column number as 1 and 3. And that's it, we get the desired output. Let's look at the second method. One of my subscribers suggested this method on a short that I had created for this topic. He suggested the use of HSTACK. Let's look at this method with all thanks to him. Here I will edit the XLOOKUP formula. I will delete the return array and use the HSTACK function here. HSTACK takes different arrays. I will provide the two arrays as B2 to B15 for the salesperson's name and D2 to D15 for number of units sold. And we get the desired result. Now let's look at the final method. This one uses the filter function. Again, just like CHOOSECOLS, I will write filter before the XLOOKUP function. For the include parameter, we can define the array we want to return. We will use curly brackets or brace. Write 1 for including the name, 0 to ignore the region, and 1 to include units sold. Close the curly bracket or brace. Close the bracket for XLOOKUP, and we get the result. So that's it for the 3 methods. You can use the one that you find easiest. And if you'd like to learn more about Excel and Power BI, consider subscribing our channel, Analytics Success. Thanks for watching.